What are smart door and window sensors?
That compact devices that detect when a door or window opens or closes. Most sensors come in two parts. One attaches to the movable part and the other to the frame. When the two pieces separate, the sensor registers the event, allowing you to monitor your home's entry points in real time from compatible devices.
Choosing your smart sensor system.
To begin, select sensors compatible with your home's Wi-Fi or smart home hub, such as those supporting Zigbee, Z-Wave, or popular brands like Ring or Wyze. Consider the devices you already have, such as Alexa or Google Home, so your new sensors will integrate smoothly, making setup and alerts more convenient and reliable.
Installing the sensors.
Installation is usually straightforward. Clean the mounting surface, then peel and stick the sensor halves securely on each door or window and its frame. Ensure the two parts align when closed and separate when open. Follow the manufacturer's app instructions to connect each sensor to your home network and verify that detection is working correctly.
Setting up instant security alerts.
Configure alerts using the Smart Sensor app. Create rules to send push notifications, texts, or emails when a sensor is triggered. You can also set up automation, like turning on lights or sounding alarms when an entry is detected. Test your alert system by opening doors or windows and checking for notifications to ensure your setup is responsive.
Maximizing security and peace of mind.
Smart sensors are just one part of a secure home. Place sensors on all key entry points and keep the app updated. For added protection, consider pairing sensors with cameras or smart locks. Regularly review your device settings and test alerts to keep your home security system reliable and effective.